Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Spain News Network. It's time the 9 p.m. international news. I'm Madiha Saeed. Police in Myanmar have fired water cannons to disperse protesters who have taken to the streets despite a ban on large public gathering. Capital rewards 5 takeaways from the arrest. The storming of the US Capitol last month left 5 people dead, over 100 police officers injured, and millions of dollars in damage to the building. Trump impeachments the terror of being trapped in the US Capitol. 3 members of the US Congress described in vivid details what it was like when rioters stormed the Capitol on 6 January. Hackers tries to poison water supply of Florida City. A computer hacker gained access to the water system of a city in Florida and tried to pump in a dangerous amount of chemical, officials say. Amazing escape as Utha Awandwala buries snowmobilers. Dramatic videos captures an valiant as it buries a group of snowmobilers in eastern Utah. Emirates Mars missions Hope probe lines up historic Mars maneuver. History beckons from the United Arab Emirates as it seeks on the Tuesdays to place a probe around Mars. Uttarakhand Dam disasters, a race to save people trapped inside India tunnel. Emergency team are working round the clock to rescue up to 35 people believed to be trapped in a tunnel in northern India.